Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can search for your saved pins or your history on Pinterest. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that the Pinterest app is downloaded on your phone and make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Pinterest app. After the home page of the Pinterest app opens up on your screen, on the right hand side of the bottom of your screen you'll see the profile option. Go ahead and click on it. So once you click on the profile option, you'll be guided to your profile. Here you can search for your saved pins, your downloaded pins or your Pinterest history. All you will have to do to search for your pins is click on this search bar located on the middle of your screen and then type in a keyword that you remember from the pin that you want to search for. For example, let me type in One Piece and hit the search button. As you can see, once I type One Piece and hit the search button, the pins I have saved or the history of my Pinterest related to One Piece has been shown on my phone. I hope this video helped you to search for your saved pins or your history on Pinterest. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.